Feeling stuck in the 9 to 5 grind and dreaming of a little extra cash? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into some amazing ways to boost your income without quitting your day job. Let's get started. First up, the gig economy. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit are goldmines for freelancers. Are you a talented writer, a graphic design wizard, or great at administrative tasks? You can offer your skills to clients all over the world, right from your couch. The best part? You set your own hours and your own rates. It's the ultimate flexible side hustle. Next, let's talk about turning your passions into profit. Do you love photography? Sell your photos on stock websites like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock. Are you a crafter? Open up an Etsy shop and sell your handmade goods. From jewelry to custom art, there's a market for almost everything. Your hobby could be your next paycheck. Another fantastic option is the sharing economy. Have a spare room? List it on Airbnb. Got a car you don't use on weekends? Rent it out through services like Turo. This is all about monetizing assets you already own. It's one of the easiest ways to generate passive income with minimal effort. Think about what you have that others might need. Ever thought about teaching what you know? Online tutoring and course creation are booming. If you're an expert in a subject, whether it's math, music, or marketing, you can share your knowledge on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. You create the course once, and it can earn you money for years to come. Finally, consider affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, a social media following, or even just a group of friends who trust your recommendations, you can earn a commission by promoting products you love. It's as simple as sharing a special link. When someone buys through your link, you get a cut. So there you have it. 5 practical ways to start earning extra money today. It's all about finding what fits your lifestyle and skills. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works for you. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on leveling up your life and your finances. See you in the next one.